Alright, grade 8s, welcome to the fraction quiz review. I'm going to go through these as quickly as possible. I'm going to do the following terms. I'm just going to pop them up here in a second and you can check against your own. I did mark them on the test already though. So here we go. Multiplication is groups of a number, the total amount after. The numerator is the number on top of the fraction. The denominator is the number on the bottom of the fraction. No big surprises there. Okay, so at the bottom of the page, you're going to reduce the following fractions to their lowest terms. 4/12 comes out to 1/3. 3/9 is also 1/3. And then 36/48, once you get down to the very essence of it, is 3/4. Creating two equivalent fractions for each fraction. There are multiple answers to this, but the first ones, if you multiply both the top and bottom by 2, you get 2/6. By 3 is 3/9. By 4 is 4/12, and by 5 would be 5/15, and I could keep going on. If you have a question about whether or not yours is right, you can come check with me personally. And the bottom should say 3/6, and that would be the same as, if you want to reduce it, it comes down to 1/2. It could be 2/4. 3/6 is there. 4/8. Sorry, I'm doing this without my stylus. 5/10, 6/12, etc. Now, if you did get any of these wrong, you need to actually then do the right answer and show me your work, what you did to get the answers you got. That's the rule, right? You don't have to show your work on the test if you get the right answers. If you get the wrong answers, you have to show your work. Okay, converting the following mixed numbers into improper fractions. Over this in class should be 2 3/8 and 1 4/9. 2 3/8 should turn into 19/8, and 1 4/9 should turn into 13/9. No big surprise there. Alright, next we're going to convert the following improper fractions into mixed numbers. 23 10 turns into 2 3/10. And 14/11 turns into 1 3/11. No problems there, I hope. Okay, moving on to the next questions. Grab the right thing here. Create common denominators for each group of fractions. Okay, for this fraction, it should actually be the common denominator should be 12 for both fractions. Okay, which if you got to this point, I was actually pretty happy. Alright, but 9/12 and 2/12. I did not ask you to do anything else in this question. Okay, now the second was what we call a bit of a harder one, because we have to multiply by each other, and the common denominator actually becomes 6. This would be 3, and this would be 4. Again, you did not need to add or subtraction. It was not there. I just need the common denominator. Alright, the next question is you add or subtract the following fractions. Okay, you had to pay attention to the signs. The answer for number 1 is 2/12, which you then need to reduce down to 1/6. Okay, so remember, at this point now I'm asking you, this needs to be your answer. So if you only had this one, you need to show me what you do to get to 1/6. Alright, for number 2, you're adding them together, and the answer is 17/24, and that is the final answer there. Okay, going on to the multiplication part. Alright, again, I am asking you to reduce these at the end. Okay, so this answer becomes 4/72, which can be reduced into 1/18. Alright, the second one is 3/24. Which can be reduced into 1/8. Again, remember, you must have this answer at the end. That's the reduced to lowest terms. Alright, we're going to move on to the mastery questions. Alright, mastery question number 1. Okay, the answer here is 1/6. Okay, now I'm asking you though, with pictures, to explain what you're doing when you multiply. Alright? And from here, I'm not going to give you any more explanation. Okay, you need to do it with pictures, chocolate bars or pies, whatever you want to use that. Okay, my apologies. I know it doesn't transfer over that well from Word. Okay, so Miss Langshaw makes Dutch pancakes on Sunday mornings. The recipe makes enough to feed 12 people. It calls for half a tablespoon of vanilla. Mr. Langstroth only needs enough to make it for 3 people. Alright, now I'm just going to give you the answer to this, but it's up to you to work out what is happening. And the answer is Mr. Langstroth only needs 1/8 of a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, you should have a unit in here, TBS, tablespoon. Okay, so the answer is 1/8, but again, you need to write out the explanation. Alright, thanks for doing that. Make sure you hand your test back into Mr. Langstroth so he can see that you've done all the work that you need to show your answers and your understanding. Alright, thank you.